Dear children, now we are going to do simple single digit addition by using this student kit. Okay, this is Abacus kit. By using and movement of this kit, we have to do this single digit addition. Okay, for this 2 plus 2 like that. Okay, let me do and I will explain you how to move bead and calculate and write down the answer. Okay, let me do. That is 2 plus 3. Okay, and another number that is 4 plus 5 and 1 plus 2. Okay, and 7 plus 2. Okay, and 6 plus 3 and 5 plus 2. Let me do first from this sum. Okay, I will do this sum at the last of this single digit number. That is, first use this number. What's the first number? That is 4. So it's all these sum which has only single digit number. So it is to need movement of bead only on one place rod. Okay, let me do. And first number, that is 4. So you have to move this 4 bead here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the next number, that is 5. Move this fifth value bead 5 and count this number and write down the answer here. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Okay, and let me move on to the next sum. So back to the 0 level abacus. It is important to this. After you have to finish each and every sum, please move the bead and make it sure this abacus shows a 0 level, and next only you have to move this next sum. Okay children, don't forget this. And first, that is first number, that is 1. So 1 bead, movement of 1 bead. And the next sum, that is 2. For 2, that is 1, 2. Okay, now write down the answer. That is 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. Okay, so make it sure is it 0 level. And first number, that is 7. For this 7, 5, 6, 7 and plus 2, 1, 2, and write down the answer. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that is 9. Okay, and make it 0 level. And next sum, that is 6. What's the first number? That is 6. So make it this, arrange it 6 plus 3. So move this 1, 2, 3 and count the answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 9. Okay, and next, that is 5 plus 2. For this, move this 5 and 1, 2, because the second number is 2. Okay, 1, 2. Write down the answer. 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now I am going to do this first sum. Okay, that is 2 plus 3. Here, listen here carefully. That is 2 plus 3. First move the 1, 2 number, and next number, that is 3. Okay children, for this 3, for here only 2 beads. Okay, because we need, that is movement of 3 beads is to be needed, but here it's 2 beads are here. For this, okay, for plus 3, here you have to do what? Plus 3. For plus 3, that is plus 5 minus 2, and answer is 5. It knows, that is, it means, that is movement of 5. That is the how to form the formula. That is, I will show you. That is plus 5 is equal to, okay, that is plus 3. Okay, for this plus 3 equal to plus 5. Okay, its friend number, that is 2. So minus 2. So I am using this formula for applying here. Do you know the friend number of 5? Okay, we have already discussed in our previous that is complement formula or friend formula. Okay, I will repeat once again here, that is 2 plus 3. So 1, 2. For plus 3, okay, here only 2 beads are here. So you have to apply the plus 5 formula here. For this plus 3, that is plus 5 minus 2. The answer is 5. To how to form this plus 3 formula, that is plus 3, write down here, and this is a complement of 5, and start with same sign plus, that is plus 5, and here you have to write the opposite sign of this plus and minus, and what is the friend number of 3 is 2. So we can form this formula, thus we can use this. Okay, for this plus 3, that is plus 5 minus 2, write down the answer, that is 9. Okay, this is a single digit addition, and let me do the next video, that is 2 digit addition number by using plus 10 complement number and plus 5 complement number. Okay.